In front of me is Motorola Edge 20 Lite, and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select System, and click on Date and Time. And here you can either use network provided time, or you can turn it off and set the date and time manually by yourself. As you can see, from now on it's up to you what date and time it currently is, but also you can change the time zone, so it can be either network provided time zone, or you can turn it off and then pick the one from the list. So at first pick the time zone and then the region and then time zone if there is more than one. So that will be all. This is it. Whenever you'd like to go back to automatic setup, just use those switchers. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.